Hello everyone, today I would like to do some quick introduction of our new one-piece design 6P and 12P fuse block with negative bus bars. So previously we have these two modular design fuse block series that come with 6P fuse block module and the negative bus bar module. So with these two basic modules, you can combine into 6P fuse block with negative bus bar like this, and 12P fuse blocks and 12P fuse block with negative bus bar. So instead of carrying all these four different models, all you need to carry are the two basic modules. So this can save your precious shelf space and SKUs. All these assemblies can be done at the consumer's end. So the disadvantage of the modular design fuse block is the extra component and the cost. As you can see here, for a modular fuse block with negative bus bar, there is a 1, 2, 3 covers and two different housings and two different bottom plates. That is why this product comes in, the one-piece design fuse block with negative bus bar. So the one-piece design fuse block with negative bus bar is more compact with one-piece housing and cover, and the cost is significantly lower than its modular design counterpart. It also comes with the upgrade easy to open and close cover, and keeps all the good features like LED indication of blown fuse, label stickers, and stylish design. These one-piece design fuse blocks comes with 6P with negative bus bar, 12P fuse block without bus bar, and the 12P fuse block with negative bus bars. So they are designed to be the way it is and cannot be expanded into larger fuse blocks like these modular design modules. So if you know in your market the fuse blocks with negative bus bar is very popular, and you would like to order fuse blocks with negative bus bar pre-assembled in factory from us, then these new one-piece fuse block are the ones you should order. As you can see, it's much smaller and more cost-effective than the modular design ones. So that's it. I hope this video explains the confusion and problems you might have. And please leave comments if you have further questions. Thank you for watching. See you next time.